Hey guys, what's happening? How to delete Facebook account. In order to delete a Facebook account, what we're going to do, go to the menu at the bottom right, hit the settings gear at the top right, and press Account Center or Meta. Find personal details under account settings. Under your contact info or under personal details, you're going to find account ownership and control, the last option. Press it. Under memorialization, you're going to find that the activation or deletion. Hit it. Choose your account, let's say Facebook account here, right? And continue, but instead of deactivated, we're going to just hit delete account here. And continue, right? Your profiles, all of your information will be deleted, so if you're content, hit continue. Tell your reason, just need a break, or my account, I no longer find use Facebook useful, and hit continue, right? And then just continue here, all right? And once the deletion process begins, you won't be able to reactivate your account or retrieve any of the content or information you have added. So make sure that you are content with this step. Hit continue and enter your password and confirm that you want to delete. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.